Welcome to my channel. In this video we will make a stylish denim overalls for Blythe, Azone and Licca dolls. First, make folds on both front and back parts of the pants. Hem edges of the big pocket and front pockets. Top stitch front pockets to the front parts. Now, sew the back and front parts right side together. Open up the both parts and make a double stitch on the back part along the outer seams again. Make a fold on the side pocket parts and hem the top edges. Also hem bottom edges of the legs. And now top stitch the side pocket to the side of the trouser leg and sew the pocket flap. Fit front parts together to sew the front center seam. Open up the overalls and press fly seam. Stitch it down. Next, fold belt loops and sew them. Next step is to sew the back pockets. Pin belt loops to the waistline of the overalls. And line up the waistband parts along the waist edge of the overalls. Sew it. Hem edges of the bib pocket and sew to the bib with a double stitch. Align the bib with the lining with right side together and sew. Turn the bib right side out and then make a stitch along the top of the side edges. Match the bottom of the bib with the top of the waistband with the right side together. Then sew it. Also line up the lining parts along the waist top edges with right side together and sew it as well. Turn the lining parts inside out and sew along the waistline and back edges. Hem both back edges of the overalls and sew them. Now cut two straps of the fabric for straps. And fold straps edges to the inside, hiding the cut edges and sew them. Stitch belt loops to the waistband. Now sew the straps to the waistband. And sew a back seam. Fold overalls along the outer seams with right side together. After that, sew them along the inseam. Sew snap to the waistband, straps and the bib, and add some buttons. And now that's all. Our denim overalls is ready. Thank you for watching. The pattern for these overalls is available via the link in the description. Thank you very much.